Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. It's me Nichelle, and today is 30th of December. It's almost the end of the year, and it is. So it's currently 8:30 now, and I usually wake up at 7:30 to 8:30 anytime between, and it's quite bright outside, which made me feel energetic. It's so good to have the sunshine in life, and I just opened the windows and I'm looking outside at all the greenery. So, no plans for the day, but just a day in my life. Everything what I do in a day to day routine. So, I just gonna get fresh, brush my teeth, wash my face, and come down. So, see you after that. So I just got freshened up and I'm gonna have my tea now. Mama already made chapati today, so I'm just gonna have that with some tea. And as usual, I just went out to take some fresh air, having my tea. And after that, I just oiled my hair. It was too dry, so I thought why not just oil it and give it nice massage. So I'm just gonna do that and leave it for at least 30 minutes. After then, I'm just gonna take a nice shower. So yeah, and I just came outside to see who's meowing around. So I found this cute boy cat. He's really cute. He gives me to touch. He lets me pet him, sorry. He's quite good. So I just came outside and I'm just doing some chilling time pass. So after that, I'm just gonna have some snack. I just cut up this banana and put in this bowl. So, and usually on days like this, I always take a bath every morning. In a day, I take a bath twice, so I usually do this every time. So it's currently 12 and I'm done taking my shower and I'm feeling really fresh. So I'm just gonna get ready and go out. So nothing much for the day, but just feel nice, feel fresh, smell good. So I'm just gonna snack up little, and I just got this pistachio that is my absolute favorite. And I'm just going outside so that my hair gets dry really quick. Also, just wandering all around the front side. So just looking around, taking pictures. And it's lunchtime, so it's currently 1:15. I'm just gonna have some lunch. Nothing special, but just this, and it's delicious. My mom made some nice food. After that, I had to do some work. Honestly, I'm just gonna do my vision board this year. It's the first vision board I'm gonna do, so I was just thinking of taking some pictures that I'll be taking screenshots and whatsoever. So I'm just gonna do my vision board for this year. It's the first time and I'm feeling really excited about it because it's kind of really excitement and doing something productive which I never done before. So I was just looking and I just got ready to go to the cyber so to remove some pictures. So after a while, I was quite hungry, so I told my mom to make me vermicelli. So she's been doing today, and I told her to also teach me so that even I could do it. So it's already 4, and I'm really hungry. So she's making this vermicelli that I love how she does. So let's see it. It just takes like 15 to 20 minutes to do this. It's really easy and quick, and it's good to have. I love this so much that I absolutely like love it, and I'll have it like almost every time. Honestly, I'm not that fussy. I eat anything that I like. So I'm just gonna have this, and in a while I'm just gonna play with this cat. Her name is Puchu. So I'm just gonna play with her, and it's currently like 7:30ish right now. I haven't filmed anything because in the middle I always forget. So I'm just gonna play and see you in a while. Also came home and I took a shower, and I'm having my dinner for the day. So this is gonna be it. And it's the next day, so it's 31st of December, and I and my mom came to Margao, sort of some work. So thought of will step into West Side. Happened to be it was a sale day today, so we were so excited. I was not supposed to like shop anything, but the discounts are like really crazy. So it's like 6.99 for these flats. I wanted to get, but it's of no use for me because I'm not gonna wear it any longer. So this home decor is like so cute. Honestly, I'm waiting to buy such cute stuff, and I just love West Side home decor. So I'm just gonna like look around, and it's quite good discounts, like 4.99 for, honestly I like two mugs, but it was gone. Someone just picked it. I'm done with the shopping, and we went to Margao market now. So guess where I'm going? So guess where I'm walking to? So I'm just walking to my favorite spot, and that is, guess where I'm going. So you might have already guessed it. We are going to Tato. That is our favorite spot to visit every time we come to Margao. So this is our best place to have any type of snacks that we want. That is our favorite, and we always like come here. So it's the must to come. So we are just gonna have, I honestly like love puri bhaji, so I'm just gonna have this basic thing, and also this bun that I ordered because someone else was eating, so I like, should I also order? Then we also had this chai, and after almost 3 hours I got ready to go for New Year's mass. And here is my outfit for the new year. I'm just wearing this shimmery top. So basically it's like this with this satin skirt. So everything is nice and cheap. So here is my outfit for the New Year's, and I just wore a silver pair of heels and some jewelry. That's it. Happy New Year 2025. May you have a blessed year ahead. Also, I did a hair wash today and it's turned really oily. I don't know how is that. It looks so yuck. I don't know. It's really very oily, I feel. So I'm just going to end up this vlog here. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one.